Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto pickup in Diablo Immortal. If you want to streamline your loot collection, then you can enable the auto pickup feature so that you never leave valuable items behind again. First of all, open up the Diablo Immortal game and make sure to enter your server to load into the sanctuary. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and tap on the gear button in the pop-up. This will now take you to the settings menu. Go ahead and swipe under the general tab and get to auto pickup. You will see three checkboxes for different item rarities. Under auto pickup, go ahead and make sure that you check all of these boxes that says normal, magic, rare, and once you do that, you can exit this settings menu by tapping on the cross icon at the top right. And that's it. You are now set up to automatically collect your loot in Diablo Immortal. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.